Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands and your game keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Tom Clancy Ghost Recon Wildlands crashing on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands, click on Install Files, click Verify and tag it to your game files here, and while it's doing that, you're going to click Browse on here to open up Tom Clancy's games folder, or you're going to open up its games folder manually. Its default location should be in your Steam's folder. Here it is. Going to Easy Anti-Cheat here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the Easy Anti-Cheat setup, click on Run as admin, and then click Repair Service when you open it up. Once you do that, it's going to try to repair the Easy Anti-Cheat on your computer. And after it's done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to go back. You're going to right click on the Tom Clancy's exe file, click on Properties, Compatibility, click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game and you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.